Hello guys, and I'm going to show you guys how I made this DIY padded headband. For this project, you're going to need a padded headband and some rhinestones. The rhinestones that I used were the 10-yard rhinestones that I ordered from Amazon, and I also needed a hot glue gun and some hot glue sticks. And I just want to state that my fingers did get burned a couple of times by the hot glue gun just because of the close contact of the glue gun and my fingers. And if you're hearing a cooing baby in the background, it is my almost 11-month-old daughter. I am doing my voiceover with her on my lap and feeding her breakfast. Starting the project, you want to make sure to line the perimeter of the headband like I did in this picture right here. You see the rhinestone is basically just going around it, and then you want to go underneath and then around, basically just around the whole thing. You're outlining the headband, and then after you're done with that, you're going to want to take the rhinestones and just line it down and just go straight up. If I'm not explaining it, I doubt I'm explaining this correctly so you guys can understand. Just watch the video. That's what the video is here for, because I suck at explaining some things. But yeah, technically, you're just basically trying to fill up the whole headband with rhinestones. And it was a tedious, timely project, and I had to basically shut off my camera, do some more, cut off my camera again, do some more, just so it wouldn't be like a whole hour video of me doing this. So in this video, you are going to see me FaceTiming and talking and texting, just because sometimes I just need someone to talk to when I'm doing projects like this, because you just get lost in thoughts sometimes, and it's just, always fun to have someone on the phone, just making this go by a little easier. And most of the time on the phone, I was talking to my sister. At first, I was using the Jewel super glue for this project because I was using rhinestones, but then I had to change it up and use the hot glue gun just because it wouldn't stick on the suede. So if you guys decide to go with the suede material, I would advise you guys to do it the hot glue way. I just don't like that other glue. I don't know, I forgot, it's like 1800 or something like that. I just don't like the smell of it, and it makes me feel like I'm tasting it. I don't know if I'm getting dramatic, but it's just not the glue for me. But the hot glue gun works wonderful if you just don't care about getting burnt here and there. Right here I am doing some finishing touches, which is pulling the hot glue strings off the headband, and I'm also checking around the headband to make sure there's no loosened rhinestones or missing, because if you can just see, there's some imperfections on here, but it's not that much, and I just think it came out very beautiful. So thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I see you next time. Bye.